we are going to explore career paths in data analytics. Subscribe to our channel, eSync Consulting. We are industry experts in data analytics, DBA and DevOps training. We also offer a wide range of certifications and consulting services. Connect with us today. Today, the field of data analytics is not just a job. It's a journey filled with exciting opportunities and endless possibilities. As organizations increasingly rely on data to drive decision making, the demand for skilled professionals in this domain continues to soar. Let's dive into the various career paths you can take within this dynamic field. Starting your journey as a data analyst is an excellent entry point. In this role, you will be responsible for collecting, cleaning, and interpreting data to provide actionable insights that help businesses make informed decisions. Data analysts work with structured data and utilize powerful tools like SQL for querying databases, Excel for data manipulation, and visualization software such as Tableau or Power BI to present their findings effectively. This foundational role equips you with the essential skills needed to progress further in your career. As you gain experience and hone your analytical skills, you may advance to positions like Senior Data Analyst or Analytics Manager. In these roles, you'll take on greater responsibility, overseeing projects and managing teams of junior analysts. You'll not only analyze data, but also strategize on how best to leverage insights for business growth. This path requires a blend of strong analytical capabilities and leadership skills, making it an exciting opportunity for those looking to make a significant impact. For those who wish to specialize, there are numerous specialist roles within data analytics that cater to specific industries and interests. Financial analyst dive deep into financial data to guide investment strategies and assess economic trends. Product analyst collaborate with product teams to analyze market trends and user feedback, ensuring products meet customer needs. Then the healthcare analyst focus on analyzing healthcare data to improve patient outcomes and operational efficiency within medical institutions. Machine learning engineer develops sophisticated algorithms that enable systems to learn from data, pushing the boundaries of what analytics can achieve. Each of these roles requires unique domain knowledge and skill sets, tailored specifically to their respective fields. If you're looking for a more advanced role, consider transitioning from a data analyst to a data scientist. While data analysts primarily focus on descriptive analytics, what has happened, data scientists delve into predictive modeling and advanced statistical techniques. What could happen? To make this leap, you'll need to expand your skill set by mastering programming languages like Python or R, as well as gaining expertise in machine learning concepts. Another exciting avenue is becoming a data analytics consultant. In this role, you'll leverage your expertise to work with diverse clients across various industries. You'll provide insights and strategies based on their unique data needs, helping them navigate challenges and seize opportunities. This path often requires several years of experience and the ability to adapt your skills to different contexts. Additionally, consider exploring opportunities in business intelligence, BI roles. BI professionals focus on creating interactive dashboards and reports that empower organizations to make strategic decisions based on real-time data insights. This role is perfect for those who enjoy visual storytelling through data. As you contemplate your career path in data analytics, remember that it's not always linear. Many professionals find success by exploring multiple roles or specializations throughout their careers. Continuous learning is key. Engage in networking within the industry through meetups or online communities to stay updated on emerging trends and technologies. In conclusion, the world of data analytics offers diverse career paths tailored to various interests and skill sets. Whether you aim to specialize in a particular field or transition into a more advanced role, there are numerous opportunities for growth and development in this dynamic industry. The future is bright for those who embrace the power of data. Subscribe to our channel iSync Consulting to stay updated with the latest industry data trends and daily learning opportunities. We're excited to announce new batches for data analytics, DBA and DevOps are starting soon. Connect with us today to secure your spot. Until then, keep learning and master the data skills with iSync Consulting, your data learning partner.